Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and as it is a Christmas season, so there are lots of sweets people are preparing, and here is a video of Kalkal. So I will show you Kalkal which is made out of dry fruits. So what ingredients you need is, so I've taken 2 cups of maida or all purpose flour, so you need 2 of this, and we need 1 egg for this. Okay, and then we need some ghee, pure ghee. So here is some pure ghee. I will take little out of that, and I'll be taking milk and to knead the flour, and this is semolina, that is rava, which I have roasted with sugar and some dry fruits in this, if you can see. So you can use without roasting, but I preferred it roasting it, and I added. So you take around like 2 cups of semolina if you are making it in larger quantity, and then you take 1.5 cup of sugar, and first of all you have to roast all this dry fruits in this. Then you add your semolina and roast it nicely. So I will be adding this into like 2 of this only. I don't want more. Okay, so I put 2.5. Then our egg will go in this. Then we'll add our vanilla essence few drop. Then we'll add our salt to taste. Salt to taste. Some ghee into this, so it becomes crispy. So around like 1 big tablespoon of this. That's it, what we need. And some milk to knead this. So we'll mix all this together. Now we'll add our hand in this. And we'll add into this milk. You can add your coconut milk also. I am using milk, normal room temperature milk, and start kneading this. And bring this dough together. So very little milk you need, not lots. So this is after kneading. It's soft. It's not hard also. So we'll keep this for 10 minutes and then we will make kalkal out of it. So now we'll make small balls out of this, okay, of this dough, and keep ready. The smaller size is better. So just make round balls and keep. So all these balls you have to make and keep. And then after that ball, you have to take a fork and then press here. And just roll this way and your Kalkal shape is ready. So we have to do all this like this only. So one shape is that way. Now I have done straight way. Now this is the other way. This way also you can do. So another design you'll get. So continue to do all this thing, and you have to keep oil for frying. I am doing deep fry. If you want to do it in oven, you can do it in oven also. I'm showing you one more. So now these are all ready to fry. So I have kept oil for frying. So here is the oil. I have already fried some Neurios today. So now this is the batch of Kalkal. So I thought I didn't make any video. So I will show you all the Kalkal also. And it's not traditional Goan type Kalkal. This is something Kalkal which I made earlier and I liked it. It's like with dry fruits. So it's like little bit richer side. Okay. So let's fry. The oil is becoming hot and then we'll fry it. So now the oil is hot and we will start frying this, and the oil should be on, it should become hot on the slow flame, and then you start frying this. So we'll put this one and we'll check, yeah, the oil is hot. So we'll start putting all this and try to fry this on low flame. Fry it crispy. And this brown thing is of what I said, a batch of my Neurios, which I already posted. So let's fry this. So here it is. Now still we need to fry it into golden brown. Now this is ready and we will remove this. Okay. So try this crispy and yummy kalkals which are made out of dry fruits, and it is so delicious, and enjoy for Christmas. So thank you so much for watching this and hope you will enjoy this. Like, use all your dry fruits. I had used walnuts, then I have used pistas and some almonds and some cashew nuts. So whatever you are having, even raisins I have used. So whatever you are having in your kitchen, dry fruits, you can use that and make this yummy, yummy sweet for Christmas. Merry Christmas to you all, and may God come into your life and give you all the love and blessings and shower His love upon you and your family. Take care. Have a blessing Christmas this season and more for coming year too. And also a Happy New Year to you all. Thank you.